What's the meaning of comfortingly? Comfortingly. Comfortingly.
Comfortingly. Comfortingly. The word comfortingly is an adverb that describes something that brings comfort or reassurance. When something is described as comfortingly, it means that it is able to provide a sense of peace or security, often in a time of stress or anxiety. For example, a familiar and soothing voice or a warm and cozy blanket can be described as comfortingly. The use of the adverb comfortingly helps to convey a positive and supportive tone, which can help to alleviate fear or uncertainty.